Go. Hello, so we are finally here, I guess, after 30 days of lockdown. And I think today's day 30 of lockdown
Yes.
since I don't know when, since March 10th or March 18th. March
It's
18th, I
a month. So March
yeah,
18th, today is
March
19th.
18th.
Dude,
No, because
mathematics.
no, because I
Wow.
remember that I've been staying at home since March 10. March 10 was the last time I was in office, I think. And so for me,
Oh
it's
my
been more
God. So
than
you're longer in this lockdown.
yeah,
Longer
that
than
is what I
rest of
wanted to tell
us.
you. Yeah. So though the entire lockdown thing in India started after that Janta lockdown, which was on 22nd, I think,
Hmm.
22nd March. Uh,
Some
but
Sunday. Yeah.
but I started being at home since a week before that. So it's been
Okay.
good
So
five
we
weeks.
all started, I think, on 19th. 19th
Right,
was
right,
the
right.
date. Hence,
So
I've been
yeah,
saying since today morning, it's a month of a lockdown. It's a month of a lockdown. It's a
yeah.
month. And I've not stepped out. Like, I've really not stepped out. My father doesn't allow any of us to step out. Just no. कोई नहीं जा रहा है, किधर भी नहीं जा रहा है. किधर भी नहीं. Just घर पे हम लोग. My dad, वो भी नहीं गया है. मतलब नहीं. Absolutely not.
But then okay. So then why did we not start this thing that we're doing, and why do you think we took 30 days to realize, okay, let's do
Because
this?
that's who we are, no? I
Huh?
mean, it takes us years to plan one trip, okay? Months to plan a one night out. You think ये podcast वाले like हाँ करते हैं हो गया? No, we are not that cool. It's all in our head. Just we are cool. We are not that cool.
Yeah, and
Aditya is
so
feeling really bad that we are not cool. Oh my god! Look at his face. He's like, what? We are not cool? मेरे दिमाग में तो मैं बहुत cool था यार. मैं तो एकदम बढ़िया बंदा था. What is this?
no, but
Revelation हो
the
गया. I'm sorry, Aditya. I'm sorry to break your bubble in this in this hardship. Okay, in this 1 month of vlogger. I'm really sorry.
but now at least with the podcast or whatever we are doing, at least the
Ah,
try for being cool, you know,
yeah.
is still
The
going on.
cliche cool.
The cliche cool. So yeah, so yet another podcast. Can you list the podcast that you've been following, especially in this lockdown period? That's all we do. That's all everyone does. The whole of Instagram, the whole of YouTube is filled
I
with
am following a lot of podcasts by the comedians, okay, because
yeah.
I love to laugh. मेरे को वही बहुत पसंद है कि सुनो और हंसो, ठीक है.
Uh,
And a lot of podcasts I've been following since they like the first episode. So over the period, it's like हाँ ये लोग तो मेरे दोस्त है. So in some podcast, if someone is like off या कुछ भी ना, so I'm like आज इसका mood नहीं है. ये आज इस पे गुस्सा
so,
है.
so you're actually reading their minds, like you're playing with the psychology of how is it
No,
for
I
them.
wouldn't say reading minds, but in my head, okay, in my head, in my psyche, I am friends with them, okay, and they know me, and I know them.
I see.
Yeah.
Right. But yeah,
What
but
are you
so
doing?
what podcasts are you following right now? Are there any
See, there's one by Puneet Pania, which is like recently started. So, uska I think एक episode आया.
what's the
So that I
name?
watch. Beyond the Laughs. Okay.
Beyond the
But I
Laughs.
like the guy. Yeah, I like the guy. He's doing this bunker notes, and I like what he talks about life and everything. So I watch that. Then,
Okay.
of course, there is this. What is that? SNG Wala, the internet set show. Okay, which I
That's not
introduced
SNG
you
though.
to. The SNG Wala, I said.
Yeah,
So it was
yeah,
SNG before the internet set show.
yeah.
So I've been following it from the SNG days.
Hmm.
So that is like one of my favorite things. Then there's Overthink Tank. वो भी like अच्छा ही है. वो तो मैं ऐसे ही सुनती हूँ. Not so much into it, but ठीक है. And what else? Biswag I heard recently, the 2 episodes. I forget the name. It's a very complicated name. So I forget the name. It's about history and everything. So वो अच्छा है. There's Kumar Varun in it. So Kumar Varun and the random
Yeah.
chickabum guy.
I think it's quite
And
new.
yeah, only 2 episodes. And this one. They are like talking on it. That's it, not much. ज़्यादा podcast नहीं देखती मैं. इतना ही देखती. And किसका podcast? That's it.
Okay, so then the
Most of my
question
time
is,
goes on. Say.
the question then is, people who would then start watching this, why? Why are we doing yet another podcast by people who are not even famous? Why?
People who are not even. I'm sorry, I didn't get you. What?
People who are not even famous, like we're not even comedians, we're not even anything. Then why are we
Because
doing
now
this?
that's what no one has done. Okay. ये किसी ने नहीं किया है. Take random fools from some societies who just stay together and make a podcast. ये किसी ने नहीं किया. Or
But
maybe
if
I
you
don't know.
remember, so for the
The
entire
comedians
group,
may have started like that. I don't know.
yeah,
मुझे नहीं पता.
same with us. Our entire group, we always had this in mind to have some camera there placed somewhere, and we shoot while only one of us knows that there's one camera shooting everyone, because as everyone speaks, as all the comedians say that when they are amongst themselves, they're so funny that wish it was recorded. So for us also, I guess it started from Champak, where
Yeah.
this is like 6 years back or even 8 years back, and today I think we should mark this date that we
What 6 years back, dude?
19th,
Not 6 years back. This is way before 2000.
10, way before YouTube.
11.
Way before even YouTube started. Okay, we had this idea of having a podcast
2010,
on
right?
YouTube. Huh?
2010, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. 2010, but YouTube was
So
there.
that's like 10 years ago.
Yeah.
That was
There's a
10
saying.
years
There's
ago.
a saying that every single recession or a depression tries to bring along the creativity aspect, and new companies emerge. So I think we missed out on the 2010,
Yeah.
2009, 10. So we are now here. Okay. So it's a late start, but I think we can
Yeah,
still
let's
pick up.
see where this. What
And-
new heights do we reach to?
Right. And out of the group of 10 plus the fiancés and whatever, not only that, all of them.
Vibes. The term is
yeah.
vibes. Yeah.
Okay. With all of them, it's just me and you right now here. So, so we are only committing to start this, and I don't think so anyone else is going to join. So,
No, they will. I think they will. If see, all you have to do is come and share your story, then they will. I can see Akshay doing it. I can see Rahul doing it. I mean, who else? Who else can I see doing
we
it?
should bet with whether Nilesh
Melvin.
will come online or not. Okay, cool. So
Yeah.
now, what we do next is, I think because we are into lockdown, obviously all the podcasts have been talking about lockdown and the things that have changed. But yeah, things have changed and people are discussing that.
Yeah, they have.
There's no new thing to discuss. Like I read a tweet which says that the conversations today as in nowadays, kitne deaths hue, kitne new cases hue, and then कहाँ से सब्जी मिल रही है and और क्या
Big Basket deliver कर रहा है कि नहीं? That's a very big conversation in my house.
and
It's a 24-hour ongoing continuous conversation in my house. Okay?
right. And then the things like, so what are you using? Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams.
Oh,
and-
dude, you forgot the main topic. Okay?
What?
Ludo khele. Let's play Ludo.
Oh yeah, Ludo. So yeah, the question is how many Ludo games in the last 30 days, and how many you won and how many you lost? Any figures?
No, that's a wrong question. The question should be Ludo में आपकी धनराशि कितनी है? Okay? And mine is somewhere around 88,000. So yeah,
88,000.
88,000. Okay? After I lost a lot of money to strangers, then I had to collect my money back. So yeah.
So you play with strangers also.
Yeah, you can bet big, dude. उस दिन मैंने around 10,000 का bet किया and earned कुछ तो 28 और ऐसे कुछ तो number में. It's another thrill in the lockdown.
I know. But yeah. So yeah, Ludo में क्या हुआ? So yeah, I read that tweet and then the tweet said that are these the only topics to speak about? And I'm like, yeah, like, और क्या हो सकता है? there's those sports going on कि क्या बात करें, चल आज इंडिया ने कितना मारा, like क्या कुछ है क्या? What आज कुछ नया मोबाइल लॉन्च हुआ क्या? Like नहीं, कुछ नहीं हुआ भाई. People are just going to talk
No,
about this.
but someone launched a new mobile, right?
That's
Somebody
China, by the
did.
way. China obviously
Yeah.
will. I read something that China will only provide masks if if that country, I think it's US, says that they will allow certain Chinese mobile brand to be sold there. That is what.
My God, this is whole another politics.
Yeah. So yeah.
I'm so done with politics in this lockdown. एक तो वही चलता रहता है, politics. ठीक है? You are in your room and you do your stuff, हाँ Netflix, हाँ Amazon, हाँ whatever, ठीक है?
No, but
and then you go out and then the dad who's watching news and then dad is like already, हाँ ये क्या politics खेल रहे हैं, you know, in this Mahamari and everything, people are still doing so much politics. So you talk about politics and come back to your room.
Yeah, but the fact is, so things that, let's talk about things that have changed, okay? Very small and minute things. Like I've never watched news in the last 30 days, in my whole last 5 years, than I've watched in the last 30 days. That's one. So, that's one. And I've never read newspapers.
Never read newspapers.
As in now, I don't read newspapers. Then I used to read. So because obviously one, you don't get newspapers, and second of the fact that you now feel the newspapers are a bit outdated, even though they come to your place. So I get newspapers. I don't know if you get or not, but
we don't get newspapers. We're not allowed to get newspapers. No. कोई नहीं, किसी को कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, सब सिर्फ घर पे बैठने वाले हैं, which is a good thing. I'm really happy by how the society is managing it, but no newspapers. Yeah.
Okay, right.
But तू newspaper में क्या पढ़ता है?
नहीं पढ़ता हूँ ना, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना. तो मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना कि
we have already not told you.
That is what. So the thing is, newspaper is being outdated now. So the count is also wrong because the count has been updated. So it's that you're following news channels more now than the newspaper, and that has never happened to me. That's one. And obviously, there's no sports paper.
But I wanted to know this.
What?
No, listen, I have a genuine question. So अभी newspaper के sports section में क्या दिखाते वो लोग?
एक page आता है.
What are the articles?
Yeah, that's all. So I'll tell you what. The newspapers are maximum 20 pages. Okay. There is no Bombay Times. Bombay Times is the last page with only one page. Okay, like double-sided, where much of it is about the same thing that you follow on Instagram. There's no news.
I know much of it is about Viral Bhayani, right?
Kind of, yeah. So Viral Bhayani, and the fact that all that you see on Instagram of posts of all these celebrities posting the same photos, you see it on Bombay Times, that one pager, and the same comments there. At times they have some one or two kind of I don't know whether they do a video call and then get the info from or get an interview from celebrities, or I don't know how. That's it. So the last page is Bombay Times. No ads. Just imagine no ads for Bombay Times. Okay. Then you go to then you go to the sports section, which is again one page. Okay. So there are certain days when BCCI has to take some call on IPL to go ahead or not. And that day you will see some good content on IPL. Otherwise, there's nothing. Yeah. So only one page on, and it is regardless of just only cricket, but also be it football or be it anything. If there is any news as to because of the extension, this has happened, and therefore now we are extending to let you know when we are doing what next. So, and then there, if any football player is spending time kind of
if any football player gets corona by licking the mics, right? That must be the news.
हाँ तो यही है, और कुछ है नहीं. बिजनेस में तो ऑब्वियसली सब डूब रहा है, तो वो 2 पेज तो चलते रहते हैं.
There's a lot of content, but
हाँ 2 पेज तो चलते रहता है. बट पहले के 10 पेज तो इट इज ऑल कोरोना होती. There's nothing else. और क्या हो सकता है? Obviously the situation is like that. So yeah, so newspaper is one. There's one thing which I wanted to know, and this is my kind of hypothesis. I feel that people are watching or binging less now than before.
Yeah, definitely. Like at least मेरा personal experience, so I have stopped watching. I'm like,
because you play a lot of Ludo. Ludo पे time जा रहा है. हाँ, तो कैसे होगा मतलब like actually I feel now people are actually reaching out for diverse types of doing
other
content. Yeah.
other
And
activities,
हाँ मतलब नहीं बहुत
learning
हो गया
new
Netflix.
stuff, and yeah.
हाँ, so बहुत हो गया
And
Netflix, बहुत
eventually,
हो गया
because
सब
you're
कुछ.
binging it, you finish off the content, and not all content lures you in. Like Tiger King, it's become so famous, but मुझे नहीं मन कर रहा है to watch Tiger King. Money Heist, मुझे नहीं मन कर रहा है for
I
some
watch
reason to
Money
watch.
Heist while playing Ludo. Okay. I just was
This is
doing
अलग
that.
level multitasking.
Because you know the story how it goes. It's a loop. Okay.
Yeah.
So चलते रहता चलते रहता चलते रहता. You need to wait till the last or second last episode to have some major changes
See,
in
this
it.
is what I was telling Akshay.
And
It's the same thing, and
yeah.
it's the same repeat of the same storyline over and over and over again.
But the fact is लूडो में भी मेरे साथ वही हो रहा था. मैं जा रहा था आगे तक वापस मैं घर पे आ रहा था. ठीक है. तो वही चल रहा था. वो उधर भी यही चल रहा था. इधर भी
Ludo
यही चल.
Heist. Ludo
Ludo
Heist.
Heist चल रहा था. ठीक है. So yeah, but yeah, so I feel that people are actually binging less now because also it's like the more freedom you give, the less you feel that you want to do
Interested you
something.
are, yeah.
Yeah,
It is not the forbidden apple anymore, right?
yeah, yeah.
I want to do that. वो नहीं है अभी.
Right. But
I
yeah,
get it, I
coming to
get it.
this topic, is there anything different that you
But
watched?
but wait, parents are a whole different opposite kind of on a opposite page than this. Okay, my parents are continuously binging something. कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा है phone पे. YouTube, फिर ये, फिर वो. YouTube तो oh my god, by heart कर लिया पूरा YouTube. By heart हो गया उनको. महाभारत, सब कुछ YouTube पे. Everything they watch on YouTube. Everything. And then they'll share it on family WhatsApp group. And then we have to see and reply. Because if we don't reply, then अभी तो तुम लोग काम नहीं कर रहे हो, so why are you not replying?
I'm not in such family groups, so yeah. So I have no knowledge
Not even
about
your own
what
or what?
happens. Yeah, but it's only 4 of us, and we just talk about it.
हाँ, इधर भी हम लोग 4 ही लोग हैं. तो earlier we used to like खाना खा रहे हो, खाना नहीं खा रहे हो, ये वो whatever, okay, like just one line. Now it's like हाँ ये वीडियो देखो, ये नोटिस आया है, सोसाइटी ने ये बोला है, उद्धव ठाकरे ने वो बोला, मोदी ने ऐसा बोला.
But yeah, so about all the binging part, do you find yourself reading more now, or is it the same?
It's the same for me. I've not started reading more. It's the same for me. I've started painting more.
Oh,
So I'm
right.
spending my time painting more stuff nowadays. So that's it. And I've started doing workout and everything. जो मैं पहले भी करती थी. But now I'm doing it like
Yes.
every day. Every day I'm doing it. So earlier I used to do like 5 days, okay? Saturday, Sunday I don't work.
Exactly.
नहीं
Yeah.
करेगी
Yeah.
मैं.
Yeah.
हाँ. So 5 days, उसमें से 3 days I used to do at home. And 2 days I used to go out. Now it's like all days I'm just at home. तो अभी मुझे I think मुझे अभी Monday से like कल से workout भी करने का मन नहीं करेगा. Because I'm so tired of this room and just doing everything in the room only. सब कुछ पूरा life बस room में हो रहा है.
Right. Actually, yeah, I think for me also it's changed. Now it's like every day you go, not go as in go outside, but every day you have workout sessions at home, which was not the case while the lockdown was not going. Like I used to literally find myself so lazy to get ready and go to the gym or go down for the run. So I used to do that maybe thrice or 4 times a week. That's it. But now with the lockdown, it's been so easy that just every single day, and you don't want to miss out that particular day. You feel like a loss if you don't. So it's
अच्छा.
completely opposite with the lockdown. I feel that it's quite nice to
Bore नहीं होता क्या? But in the same room, or you do it like one day this room, one day that room. I
So
don't have that
initially,
liberty here.
I guess for a week I used to do it in my bedroom. Then I got it outside, and I think I like it outside more now. So yeah,
मुझे
that,
I do it. ऐसे मैं करती हूँ, but मुझे बोर होता है. Like अभी lately तो it has started getting boring. So now I've started new thing. मैं like late evening में करती हूँ, alright, and मैं lights off करके करती हूँ. So I can't see the room. It's as
So
if
you
I'm
go
going
hit,
in-
you go hit the walls and come back as if now.
No, I don't. I don't run in the house.
Then what? Like, how do you see things then?
What? See क्या करने का है?
If the exercise is to
क्या
touch your feet and you touch your knee or touch what?
Really, your body doesn't have motor skills to touch your own feet. Really, you're telling me this? No wonder no one from our group sits in your car when you drive. No wonder.
I am the safest driver, by the way.
I'm bursting another bubble for Aditya in today's episode. Okay, just kidding. He's really a safe driver. So if you see him driving somewhere, please, like, apna hi Creta hai, bro.
Okay, moving on to the next topic. So one thing which I've realized now, I used to drink once a week for sure. Okay, I have not drank since last 4 weeks, and
Few
even
weeks,
4 weeks, four.
not month. Okay, 4 weeks.
Yeah, 4 weeks, 1 month, and the fact
Same
that
here.
even, but used to be not
don't
like
even-
that. But
Like I didn't have to have like every
Yeah.
week, but 2 weeks में तो हो ही जाता था. But
Right.
now it's like no, like absolutely no.
no, and I'll tell you what. So I have it at home, but I just don't.
I also have it, and I
Matlab-
feel like, but I don't because parents.
So that's been like really there's this one more quote which I think one line some Instagram post which I read saying that no wonder or I wonder the entire economy works on things that people don't need.
Oh yeah, yes.
And
Mhm.
and it is so
I read
true.
that post,
Like
yeah.
half an hour I was thinking on all the things which now I don't buy because obviously I don't need.
No,
And-
it's like this. It's like this. The economy. It's strange that the economy is crashing because people are only buying things that they need.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was like a great insight within one line.
Yeah. It was very insightful. Yeah.
Yeah, because
और
all I
वो
do.
उसके बाद मेरे को लगा यार शी मेरे को कुछ तो शॉप करना चाहिए. Then I went on Amazon. So maybe it was not that a good quote, insightful, but उसका opposite effect हुआ मेरे पे.
But how can you shop on Amazon? Because I think they've
I didn't shop. I just went and I just
Window
checked
shop.
क्या सब है. Yeah, like window shop. That's all. I didn't shop.
Right. Right. But yeah, so one more important thing is have your habits at home changed with regards to cleaning things?
No, I've always been a clean child and an hygienic person.
What do you mean?
मेरा कुछ habits clean.
What do you mean?
Cleanliness के हिसाब से मेरा कुछ change नहीं हुआ है. I'm a
I
very
mean-
clean person. I take bath twice and everything. सब कुछ
Even
I
now
do.
you take
I'm
bath
not
twice.
like- yeah, of course, dude.
Oh, nice. Like 2 times. Why?
With cold water. Because it's very hot.
Obviously.
It is very hot. Yeah. So Melvin, you read Melvin's message on the group? He said मैं रात को 2 बजे उठ के नहाया. And he wanted to write. There are 2 things, okay? So उसके रूम का AC नहीं चल रहा है. Okay. So I think रात को बहुत गर्म हो गया. So वो रात को 2 बजे कल उठा and then he took a bath. And he wanted to write नहाया. And he has not written H in it. Okay. So he's written NAAYA. Alright. And I'm like,
Okay.
मैं रात को, I read it like, मैं रात को 2 बजे उठ के नया. I'm like, नया क्या? नया क्या? What नया? And then
Right.
later on, I got to know कि जिधर H लिखना चाहिए, उधर वो H लिखता नहीं है. जिधर H नहीं लिखने का है. उधर he'll put 1, 2, 3 H.
Right. Melvin.
Oh God, it was so funny. It was very funny.
Yeah, but do you remember the last time we met? I think this was at my place. One Saturday, I think we were watching some movie. We watched a movie, I think.
Yeah. Are you talking about the other place?
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah, the other place.
yeah.
And
So वो game night.
game night, right? Game night. After that, we had no nights.
No.
Right? We have had no nights because obviously, and I think this was March mid, same time around
I don't
18th or
remember the
something.
date, but yeah, that was the last time I think we met.
Yeah, but do
Sad, yeah.
you? But how much do you miss actually meeting all of us?
I miss. See, if you ask me, do I miss meeting people?
Huh.
No, not people. Okay, but do I
Uh,
miss meeting friends like the group? Yes. That's why I said no. That please forgive me if I meet you all and if I start crying because I think I'm gonna do that. मेरे से नहीं होने वाला. I can't control. I miss meeting you all and I miss the even if we are just sitting at home and doing time pass, I miss that. अभी मेरे को बहुत बोर हो गया है मैं भाई को देख के and mom dad को देख के and स्वप्निल को देख के ऐसे लाइक हाँ ठीक है अभी उठो और काम पे जाओ प्लीज.
but yeah, I think that's different for you. For me, it's been because I'm alone at home. So the fact that actually a lot of things have happened very great with this lockdown. I've been very communicatively very strong at work because everything has to be written down. So that's the best thing. Now in office, what used to happen is I'm talking to people and then we get this understanding saying that हाँ मैंने तेरे को बोल दिया है तू कर लेगा. But and then that never happens or वो भूल जाते हैं या मैं भूल जाता हूँ. Whatever happens and that's lost. Now with this thing, it's so communicatively strong that I mail them. We have Slack messages that's going on. So everything is written. So for me, I know for a fact that they बताया and I can tell them that देख मैंने बताया. And that's so good. Communicative wise, it has been so strong. And actually, everyone is now very sure of the fact that अगर ये लिखा है मतलब ये करना बाकी है. So for them also, it's like their diary in a way that हाँ ये चीजें बाकी है करनी है, ये चीजें होनी है या ये चीजें हो गई है. So I think it's good for me as work. The only things that I don't miss actually is traveling, obviously. 2 hours or 3
Do
hours.
you miss us? But no, my main concern is do you miss us? मैं इधर बैठ के oh I miss you and this and that और मैं रो दूंगी तुम लोग को मिलूंगी and all that drama I'm doing. Do you miss us? अभी बता please. It is very important.
I had that thought. I said, do I miss you all or not? But I think I feel the missing part is about having all of us enjoying together.
तो हम क्या बैठ के रोते हैं साथ में मतलब
no I mean
we come together and cry our tears out of what.
Yeah, I mean the fact that everyone is together and maybe just I think we need to have one hangout all of us together after this is done. I don't know when that is.
अच्छा मुझे एक बता ठीक है this has been on my mind forever now. अभी we are living so close by to each other. ठीक है everyone is always going out to buy something or other. ठीक है so what is stopping us from going to other person's house?
No, I thought of that. So I thought of that. कि suppose मैंने घर पे बुला दिया तुम लोगों को. तुम लोग 3 लोग आ गए. 3 या 4 लोग आ गए. I think the watchman will understand that these friends of his, they are coming here. Okay, and that I think once we could do. Okay. But I think it would be kind of a warning sign. Tomorrow if something happens because of us, then हमारा भी नाम हो जाएगा. Across अभी जैसे केसेस आते हैं ना that ये एमएलए ने बर्थडे पार्टी मनाई अपने घर पे with 12 people 12 people so not that big but still 12 people at his home so
right.
you never know just that वो positive पकड़े जाएंगे तो हो जाएगा फिर हमारा
right correct also if हो गया then that trust factor किसके वजह से हुआ.
No, but I feel I'll tell you one more thing.
That trip is going to be hilarious.
Oh God, yeah. No, but I think
it will break our friendship. It will break our friendship.
No, but also one thing which I feel is really great of not doing this now, like no one should do that now. And the feeling you'll get after the lockdown is done and after you actually go and meet your friends is going to be more awesome than just sneaking out and trying to meet before even the lockdown getting over.
Yeah. True.
So that is something which
Also, we are very responsible. Hello,
Yeah.
all of us are really, really very responsible. Like, we just stay so close to each other, we can hop, skip, and jump to each other's
Say
house.
hi.
But we
Hi,
aren't. High five. Windows high five.
इधर से
Idhar se.
Hi.
But
yeah,
we aren't, because we are responsible. Okay, yeah. Just stating it out.
no,
there,
also
we are responsible.
no. Also, it's not about just responsibility, but also we are lazy. So you see, day 30, we are doing this.
Talk for yourself, dude.
We are doing this podcast on the 30th day, and all the 29 days and even years before that, we were just discussing about it. So even if tomorrow people are like, हाँ चलो लॉकडाउन हो गया, अब मिलना है, अच्छा कल मिलते हैं यार, अच्छा अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं, ऐसे भी हो सकता है.
Oh, no way this is happening.
हो सकता है.
No way.
You never know.
My God, I've got sad friends, yeah, guys. What are these friends? Lockdown हो गया, अच्छा ठीक है, कल मिलते हैं. Oh my God, I need new friends. Okay, no, I don't.
You guys will just barge into my place, so I have no kind of.
This is a subtle indication of him trying to tell you all that my place is so happening. Okay, I get it. We all get it.
No, but the fact is, what I'm trying to say is, it's not me who gives all these bahanas. It's all the other people who will come out with such bahanas. And the fact that people now are saying that, oh, I'm waiting for the lockdown, could not be the case once the lockdown is done. Okay, it's like again some memes that I read. Lockdown हो गया, 4 घंटे बाहर घूम के आके ठीक है, मैं घर पे बैठता हूँ. That kind of a thing will also happen. So.
That would also happen. Also, you got to be little extra cautious about roaming around. So, वो भी होगा. Can't deny.
Right. Cool. So yeah. So anything that you miss very, very, very much, obviously, other than friends, is there anything that you miss in this lockdown?
Yeah, I miss going out. Like going out of the house, like, like you can see as far as you can see, kind of that feeling. I miss that.
But you don't go out to even buy the essentials, is it?
No, essentials get delivered home.
That's why. Maybe that's why your feeling has been more, prominent than me, because I keep on going out for essentials.
वो एक बार गई, I think 2-3 बार I've gone, but that was in the first phase of lockdown, ठीक है, एकदम पहले. So तभी वो हुआ ना कि I went to the medical shop when Modi declared like 21 days वाला. So I went to the medical shop because उस दिन मेरा some certain pills of my headache had been finished. तो मुझे वो लेने का था. तो मैं गई, and after standing so long in the line, I took the pills and everything, and I came home and I didn't sanitize my hands. Okay, I sanitized everything else, and I was like, अच्छा अभी मैं जाके सीधा I'll go to bathroom and I'll take a shower because kill the corona. And I went in, and the first thing I did was touch my face. Oh my God, I touched my face without washing my hands. I can't tell you. After that, I have it. Okay, I have a notepad in my room. जिसके ऊपर I was counting days. I was counting 14 days and looking for signs. I remember telling you all every day कि यार मैंने हाथ लगाया मेरे मुंह पे. I just went down and I touched my face. उसके बाद I've not gone down. I've just not gone down. मैं बहुत ही paranoid हो गई थी. So that was that. Also that. Okay, nothing. Yeah, go ahead.
What?
This is my theory, which I'll tell you later. Once all this corona and everything is gone, after that I'll tell this theory, okay? But I have this theory on corona. Okay?
But is it a global theory or is it just your small
No,
theory?
no, my personal theory. I feel मेरे को corona होके चला गया है. Really? That Goa thing that happened.
What
I'm
in
not
Goa?
kidding you.
What in Goa?
So we went to Goa. Okay?
Right.
We went to Goa on
24th Feb. Yeah.
Feb, yeah.
Yeah.
And we came back. Okay?
Yeah.
We came back through airport. All right.
Right.
And I वापस after 7 days. After coming back after 7 days, I felt sick. Okay. Sick मतलब it started with dry cough in my throat. ठीक है? It was dry cough. So I was taking dry cough का जो भी liquid medicine रहता है वो मैंने लिया 2-3 दिन. After that मेरे को suddenly headache होने लगा, okay, like severe headache, and then I got flu, okay. Now flu हुआ, and flu as in I got the temperature, all right. Temperature हुआ, and I not gone to doctor till then, so temperature हुआ, and जिस दिन temperature हुआ, and उसी दिन मेरे को I can't breathe, all right, मेरे को breathing problem होने लगा है. And I remember getting up in the morning and messaging Rahul that I think I got corona. I think मुझे corona हो गया है.
This is like in March. First week of March.
Feb. Yeah, first week of March. Okay? Like before Holi. So Holi was on 8th. Before that. So first
10th.
week of March. 10th. Yeah, 10th. So उसके पहले वाला. And I can't breathe. I'm like, अबे मैं क्या करूँ? मेरे को breathing करने को नहीं हो रहा है. So I'm taking shallow breaths. Okay, instead of deep breaths, I'm taking shallow breaths. And कैसे तो करके I went to doctor. Then doctor is like, अच्छा, any travel history? And I'm like, yes, I went to Goa. And she didn't take me seriously because Goa is not international, right? तभी it was like कि people are only taking जो लोग international घूम के आए उनको ही कोरोना हो रहा है. So I am telling every doctor कि हाँ, I went to Goa for 3 days, for 4 days, whatever. And they're like, हाँ, Goa na, it's just flu. But I couldn't breathe. My God. I remember I had gone, like, मैं online आई नहीं because no strength. But then it got cured with whatever flu medicines she gave. So it was flu maybe, but it was very corona-ish flu. और मेरा फट गया था. I was telling everyone कि नहीं जाते गोवा, पता नहीं मैं क्यों गई गोवा. Oh God. So ऐसे में से 2 incident हुए.
No, but yeah, I agree to that. But the fact is, I for one don't miss out more than I guess you do. Is because we had that Goa trip. Now I think we just had it a week or two before all of this, starting, and.
So you need us all only for like one trip in 3 months? Really? Oh,
no, the fact is,
Aditya is busting my bubble here.
Even after
after we were
Goa,
like all good friends.
Even after Goa, we were there at my place many times, I think. And then there was this one Sunday when I pinged Rahul saying that aaj milna hai raat ko. And then he's like, I think we should avoid going to Rajesh Garden. And I was like,
yeah, I know that because he pinged Swapnil saying कि आज मिलना है रात को, and then Swapnil told me कि मैं मिलने जा रहा है, and I'm like, dude, stay.
So you are the one who said no, because that was the last time when I knew for a fact that चल अभी मेरे को तो लग रहा है ये सब कुछ बढ़ने वाला है, तो अभी जाके.
Was that a bad decision?
क्यों अब कुछ नहीं होता था यार? I don't think so, because that was like March 10th again, March 18th or something.
No, not March 10th. After that.
Before
not March 18th. Before 15th it was.
Yeah. And then...
No, it was the right decision on my part. Guys, it was the right decision on my part, right? Yeah.
No, also, so I remember this one more thing. When there's this one Friday when I was in office, and the day prior on Thursday, we were given a work from home. Just to test whether people could work from home properly or not. And then Friday was like, shit, yeah, Friday ko abhi aana hi nahi hai. But I came, and I don't know why I knew that day itself कि ये last day है, ठीक है, इसके बाद अभी बहुत time बाद ही आना है. So I actually packed a lot of things to get home, which I knew for a fact that, ठीक है. And then I was telling others also कि you have no clue. And the fact is that Monday was supposed to come to office kind of a thing. And no Janta Public and all that thing, all the days were like 1 or 2 weeks later. Okay? And I knew for a fact that Jo pack up kar lo. And I still remember that very last 6 o'clock kind of a thing, but I actually packed up things and I came. And Sunday evening we got a mail saying that this week we are trying not to have people at office. And then the very next week wo chalu ho gaya Janta Public and all that stuff. So now, and it's been now what, 6 weeks. So 6 weeks, yeah, 6 weeks. But yeah, there are certain things which are there in office, which I didn't get. So I hope they are there. Hopefully. Yeah.
I was talking to Melvin the other day, and he's like, "Calm, मैं कुछ फाइल घर पे लेके नहीं आया."
I think he must have done it on purpose. He must have done it on purpose. He just
No,
wants
it
to
didn't
prove.
look like he did it on purpose. Like he was very genuinely feeling कि काम कैसा करेगा मैं कुछ घर पे नहीं लेके आया.
That day in the group, I sent a link of downloading a new game, business वाला. ठीक है. रात को मेलविन का मैसेज आता है, तूने वो गेम खेला क्या? नहीं. नहीं, मैंने बस लिंक फॉरवर्ड किया. I was trying to see.
He asked you that on the group multiple times and you didn't reply. So I think probably then he asked you there.
Because I was saying कि चलो people join, then we'll play this game. But why to download? Acha, by the way, I've downloaded so many new apps this lockdown. Especially apps like so many new apps. Like that's a trend. That's a trend. You know, I've deleted certain ones which I know for a fact that I won't need it for a while. Certain e-commerce apps that I had, I don't know why I deleted all of them. Okay, except keeping for Amazon or maybe the major ones.
Did you delete Uber yet? Did you delete
Yeah,
Uber?
so not Uber, but I deleted Ola, I deleted Meru, which I had, I don't know why. But I kept only one, Uber. Okay, बाकी सब मैंने delete कर दिया. Or also other some of the other apps, I don't remember. But the new website I've downloaded obviously is Amazon Prime Now, Big Basket, then obviously Grofers. Then I have what are the other ones? This Lucius. You know what is Lucius? Lucius is that fresh Licious.
Not Lucius.
Licious, sorry.
It's Licious. Yeah, it's meat delivery. Yeah.
Though
I've been using it since Bangalore.
Right. So वो मैंने कर लिया. फिर एक fresh to mart or something like that.
Farm to fresh.
Fresh to, I don't know, fresh to farm or something. Yeah, it's a purple color brand.
If it is farm to fresh, you have to tell me, okay?
I don't know. It's something with the fresh. No, fresh to mart or something. Fresh to.
Okay. Cool.
So that, and obviously the games, Ludo and all those. There's one thing which we downloaded and all of us together deleted, House Party. So that era of
you deleted it.
Yeah, you didn't. Did you not?
I did it, Baba. I did it.
So that initial era or the period of lockdown phase, you know, you can even break down lockdowns. You know, I think we should do it for the next episode. But the breakdown of lockdown could be first week of.
Next episode also we are talking on lockdown. Let's not talk on lockdown. Like let's talk it in background because ये lockdown अभी मेरे सपने में भी आने लग गया है. Okay, I have all my dreams with lockdown as a backdrop. कुछ तो चलते रहता है, but there is lockdown in the state and I can't go out and everything is happening in my dreams. So let's not focus so much on lockdown anymore. Let's talk about something else in the next episode.
No, but yeah. So I guess let's talk. Let me tell you in this one line. So the first week or the first 10 days of lockdown was all about finding new means of working out. Okay, so people used to post a lot of videos, people and celebrities and everyone, lot of videos and lot of things. That was also tagged along with cleaning. So people used to post a lot of sweeping, झाड़ू पोछा वाला video, photos and videos. ठीक है. उसके बाद आ गया वो era जहाँ
and cooking.
And cooking, obviously, yeah, cooking.
Everyone is cooking. Yeah, everyone is cooking, making dishes and everything.
But cooking, I don't put it into that era because cooking has been continuous. I see that people doing it even now. Okay, they have started.
Call it a phase. Don't call it era. Call it phase.
The first phase. Okay, but cooking में क्या हो गया है? They started with दाल चावल and time pass वाला चीजें like omelette and all that, including meat, omelette सब कुछ. ठीक है. से लेके now making dishes which are like a bit above, you know. Kind of
somebody made Nutella, bro. Somebody made Nutella.
How do you do that?
How do you do that? Exactly. How do you do that? What are you, even crazy or what? Nutella. Why are you making Nutella in the house?
तो नीचे से गीला मट्टी लाया होगा बस और क्या?
क्या? No.
दिखाने के लिए बस.
What? Okay, wait. What kind of cooking videos are you watching?
I haven't seen. You've seen that. But yeah, so
it was definitely Nutella.
Right. So that phase, okay, but then the phase of, you know, all that Tali videos, Modi ji ka, all that thing. So that was into two phases.
That was just one day.
हाँ, but उसका सब कुछ चल रहा था कि हम ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, देशभक्ति, वो सब, ठीक है, वो 2 phases में हुआ. Now suddenly.
I just noticed you said Modi ji. That's nice. I keep on saying Modi Modi, and I remind myself, I should say Modi ji because I don't want to get into trouble, and I say Modi Modi. But you said Modi ji. Maybe
I
only I'll
think
get into trouble
wait,
then.
wait. I think I've been watching a lot of Republic. That's why.
Why?
News channels. I told you, right? I've been watching a lot of news channels. Also, I just
Oh
realized.
God.
No, I'll tell you why. So there is a reason behind it. So I have not subscribed for news channels. Okay.
Ah.
Okay. Republic is free. So
Hmm.
by default, that is the one channel which I can obviously watch. Okay. And I also have CNN. So English channels I have, like English as in CNN, BBC. And then there is
BCCI.
BCC, BCC, Bailing BCC. Okay. So, and then there's Al Jazeera, Russia TV, RTV, and all of that. So those channels I have. But I never thought of कि ये सब Indian news channels चाहिए. But DD एक free है. एक मेरे पास शायद से CNN, IBN है. And then there's Republic, always free. So because of that, I've been watching Republic. So that's it. So coming back to the topic of the phases. So then there was the second phase, which was about how people on Instagram were tagging for all the campaigns, or not campaigns, I would say challenges. All the challenges which started coming in, ये challenge, वो challenge, सब कुछ वो अभी.
That phase is over or what?
अभी थोड़ा मेरे को लग रहा है कम होते जा रहा है. It is almost,
okay.
You need some new thing now.
There was also a workout phase.
Workout phase बोला ना मैंने. Workout videos and stuff.
You said okay.
Workout and all that with झाड़ू पोछा वाला phase, ठीक है. तो वो तो starting से हो गया, वो भी अभी almost मर गया है. अभी कुछ, if you see, there is no such real phase. Like people are actually done with all the things.
Kind of. Right. Kind of. Yeah.
और मोदी जी
they've
ने
gone back to doing the things they used to post earlier about.
Yeah.
Right.
और कुछ नया challenges भी नहीं आ रहा है मोदी जी की साइड से, तो वही कुछ कर नहीं रहे. And I think now people are actually waiting now. They're almost towards the age. But do you think May 3rd would be the last day? I don't think so. I think
it would be. I think it would be. After that, I think it's upon you. तुम खुद का करो यार. ये जाने तो नहीं वाला यार. It's not going to go away. So how long are you going to keep people locked in?
What I think is that after 3rd May, they'll be like 1 week. So ये week है, अगले week बताएंगे अगले week है क्या नहीं, ठीक है. And then they'll start doing things like अच्छा ये week से इधर नहीं है, ठीक है, इधर सब कुछ ठीक है, लेकिन ये इधर है. So they'll start doing that.
That makes more sense. Good. That makes more sense.
Yeah, I think that could happen, and then it depends on. Now, obviously, Mumbai has a lot of issues as in cases. So I don't see Mumbai getting done by 3rd May. Today is what, 20th? So in 10 days or 13 days, you think 2 weeks time mein ho jayega? I don't think so. But you never know.
Yeah, you never know. Also, what to do?
Also, the fact is, so just one last thing I think we should discuss here about. I'm very sure everyone has thought of the day after this ends. Okay, what are you going to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm going to take more precautions for another 1-2 weeks. Really, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to like, आज lockdown उड़ गया and tomorrow like I'll open the door and run away. मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ, मैं नहीं कर सकती. I can't do that. I'm too paranoid for this.
So are you saying that we are meeting after 2 weeks of lockdown getting?
Yeah.
Really?
Not immediately. Really? Yeah. As if you miss us, dude. Not until you plan some trip. Only then you'll miss us and you'll need us. So ठीक है, that's a deal.
No, but so general public, what do you think? People will start, walking down the streets. They'll start walking, at least having fresh air.
Yeah,
start doing that.
Yeah, I'll go for a walk. That I'll do. But I won't meet people and I won't go to cafes and I won't go to restaurants and eat something. Even though I want to, I won't. And I think we all should do that. नहीं जाना चाहिए immediately. यार चलो party. No.
I have a different opinion about it. उसमें क्या होने वाला है? This is what everyone will think कि नहीं जाएंगे नहीं हम restaurant में. But the restaurants, they have business.
And then everyone will go.
नहीं वो लोग क्या होगा? they'll be like 100 rupees off or 100 rupees mein sab kuch, like whatever, they'll start discounting things,
You told me this.
and that is what is going to happen, and that is where people will be like, अरे
Yes.
यार ये पहले इतना costly था, अभी इतना सस्ता है, चलो जाते हैं, ठीक है.
Agreed.
I think that's going to happen.
But
and yeah. So
okay,
yeah,
I'm sorry.
so that is what I think, that would be the strategy of people, of all these business owners, to get people back to that mode. And then once that is done, then you're like, अरे मैं तो अभी जाके अब मैं फिर क्यों नहीं जाऊँ होटल में और एक बार. It's like एक बार तुमने ब्रेक कर दिया वो, you'll be like, हाँ ठीक है, अभी क्या, अब तो मैं जाके होटल में, अब तो मैं क्लब में जाके, तो ये वीकेंड क्यों नहीं जाऊँ. So
no, I agree. A lot of us will also fall for it, but a lot of us will also, like, weigh their two options. Do I, like, spending less is more important, or my life is more important? What is more important? And especially when you're in a city like Bombay, you can do that in like other cities jidhar itna cases nahi hai, there you can do maybe, but if Bombay ka cases badhta gaya, so people will weigh their options. That is what I feel. Tu jayega na? What will you do if the restaurant gives you like कि हाँ,
I think
70% off, चल 70% off दे रहा है, देखो ठीक है, क्राफ्ट बियर पे 70% off, तू क्या करेगा बता.
मैं तो जाएगा.
I knew it. You stay alone, dude. तू घर पे आके किसको ही इम्पेक्ट करने वाला है. I have so much to think about. ठीक है.
Cool. So I think we should wind up this podcast.
Wow, we are winding up. Look, and before starting this, Aditya was concerned. हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? At least 20 minutes तो बोलना चाहिए. हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? क्या मतलब क्या करना है?
Oh, by the way, we still don't have a. But by the way, we still don't have a name. So because we were running out of names.
Guys, if you have names, please suggest us, and then we can use it, and we'll say a thank you, shout out to you in the next episode if you like it. Otherwise, yeah, we're still looking for the name. Yeah.
Right. I think we should not talk about lockdown much now. We have done that a lot today.
Thank you.
Next episode could be on. We'll let you know later, I guess. Think about it later, because we took a lot of time understanding what to do, because everyone is checking the lockdown videos and making all these what are we doing and how are things going, and I guess we have discussed the same thing here, but just we wanted to get this started. Obviously getting started was the issue, then the topic, because we've been trying to get it started, as you all know, since last 30 days plus 6
बचपन से हम लोग बचपन से ये सोच रहे हैं, और हम लोग बचपन से ट्राई करें कि हाँ कभी तो पॉडकास्ट करते हैं, ठीक है, and we're grown old.
Yeah. So at least ये वीडियो तो हो जाएगा live. I think so. I hope so. If it has been recorded. अरे record नहीं हुआ.
Shut up. I can see it on my screen that it's recording.
Nice. Okay. Cool. So no, don't subscribe us or anything. I'm not going to do that. We don't have a channel. We don't have a channel. Yeah, we don't have a channel, and
like, share, subscribe.
Please like, share, subscribe.
Please like, share, subscribe to anything that you wish. Okay?
Yeah, obviously. हम खुद भी करेंगे, तो हमें भी बताओ हमें क्या फॉलो करना चाहिए, ठीक है, हम भी करेंगे.
Yeah, give us suggestions. Right. Alright, चलो then.
Okay, चलो bye.
Have you done that video?